Hi everyone, my name is Olivia. I'm a first year pharmacy student at UCL, and today I'm going to be giving you some advice regarding your application for any of the sciencey healthcare related fields. So be that medicine, pharmacy, dentistry, vet med. If you're interested in any of those, please keep listening because the admissions tutors are looking for similar skills, so it's all pretty applicable. So first of all, school subjects. The two key ones they look for are chemistry and biology, particularly if you're wanting to do medicine, vet med, dentistry. Those two are a must-have. When it comes to pharmacy, it's chemistry. Biomedicine, it's biology and chemistry, but it will vary for each individual course. So make sure you look at the requirements online first when choosing your subjects. So work experience. If you want to go into medicine, then of course shadowing a GP is really valuable. Also volunteering at an elderly care home or hospice, that's really effective on your application. For vet med, you'd want to shadow a vet or obviously spending a lot of time with animals. For dentistry, shadowing a dentist. And the work experience, it doesn't just add value to your application, but it also tells you personally whether that's an environment that you want to work in. So for example, you might think you really want to do medicine, but once you spend a few hours at a hospital and you find out you're squeamish with, you don't like blood or you don't like needles, then maybe that's not for you. So that's definitely worth figuring it out. Also, work experience gives you something to talk about in your interview and your personal statements. So, for example, one thing I learned with working in a pharmacy was the importance of having organisation in a pharmacy, because if you've got two dispensing units which are messy or mixed up, you risk giving the wrong medicine to the wrong patient, and this could potentially be fatal. So, especially in this healthcare field, stuff like that's really important. So when it comes to university choices, you want to look at entry requirements. So say you want to do one course, but one university might have higher grade requirements, one might have lower ones. So it really just depends on what grades you're en route to getting, because of course you're going to have a higher chance of being accepted if you reach those grades. Also, you want to look at the city or location of the university, because with that comes the whole culture. And if you're spending 3, 4, 5 years studying there, you want to know that you will enjoy and thrive in the setting. So definitely check that out. When it comes to personal statement, you only get about 500 words to sort of sell yourself. So you want to make sure you're as concise as possible. You want to talk about your work experience, what you've learned from it, what you've gained from it, why you want to study your subject, also current affairs. So if you read like the, monthly journal from your subject, anything you've seen from there that particularly interests you, you can talk about. So say during the COVID pandemic, the importance of making sure a medicine is widely available around the world to ensure immunity. And you also want to make sure it's a good read for the admissions tutors, because they only read it through once. You want to make a good impression on them, so there's definitely an element of quality of written work there. So when it comes to the interview, a lot of people find it intimidating, but you have to realize that the interviewers want to bring out the best in you. You need to treat it like a conversation, because they want to see if you're genuinely suited to the course. They'll ask you about work experience, why you want to study the course that you're choosing, and also what you'd bring to the university community as a whole. So say you want to join societies, join sports teams, stuff like that. You want to sell yourself and prove that you'd be a great student to have. And any extra advice? I'd say definitely go on to the website for the university that you're applying to, and if you're looking at your course, look at the modules, look at the breakdown of that, so you know that what you're studying is actually something you're interested in and what you're good at, because a lot of people don't look at the specifics of their course, they just kind of choose it and go along with it, but you want to see what you'd actually be studying in terms of academics. So yeah, I think that's everything. I hope this video was helpful for you, and good luck in all of your applications. Thank you.